To achieve this assignment's goal, we want you to take a selfie of yourself. But there's a catch. We want you to emphasize your face with contrast by putting a light tone or dark tone background behind you. If you have a lighter skin tone, use a darker toned background. If you have a darker skin tone, use a lighter tone background. Here's my office. I set up the ring light so that it faces the darker tone wall. You can also use poster board, a bed sheet, or a blanket. You're doing a black and white photograph, so you could use a color background, and it will change to a lighter tone or darker tone. Here are the controls for the ring light. This control is for dimming the light to whatever setting you need. You'll notice the light gets really dim if you turn it counterclockwise. This control is for the color of the light. If you turn it counterclockwise, it will turn an orangish color. For most of my needs, I'll stick with white. I'm using the ring light as my tripod. You'll notice that my face is overexposed. If I click on the screen, on my face, I can focus on my face. The exposure will compensate manually and you'll be able to see my face better. However, there is a change in the darker tone areas of the background. We can hardly see any details, but there's a significant contrast from light to dark. If I click on the background, it will show the details, but my face is overexposed. For this assignment, we want to see your beautiful face, so click on your face to get the correct exposure. You'll also notice I'm directing myself and the camera lens to put my face in the top part of the image to achieve the rule of thirds. If I turn the camera, I will also try to get myself near the top to follow the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a great way to show emphasis in a design, and it comes in very handy if you're shooting a magazine cover and want to leave space for some article titles down the side of the design.